How can we assist you today?
I would like to schedule an appointment.
Great! I'd be happy to help with that. May I have your complete name, please?
Yes, my name is Tai.
Nice to meet you, Ty. Could you kindly share the reason for scheduling this appointment?
Just a regular checkup.
Got it. A regular checkup. When would be the most convenient date and time for you to come in?
This Friday at 9 a.m.
This Friday at 9 a.m. works perfectly. Just to ensure everything is accurate, let's quickly confirm.
One of the biggest opportunities for AI in businesses is replacing salesperson. Businesses spend a lot of money on sales teams who spend weeks or maybe months building lead lists and calling prospects. Now, AI voice agents can do this much faster. You can create powerful AI voice agents to handle phone calls. For example, a restaurant can use an AI voice agent to take reservation, share menu details, and provide information about the restaurant itself, such as a working hour or the location or something similar. They sound realistic and respond quickly and can call many leads in minutes. Hi, my name is Saeed, the founder of Uniquely AI, an AI agency specializing in AI automation. Our current focus is on developing AI customer support agents and AI voices. If your business makes calls every day, this is something you should be considering because if you are not using AI to automate your lead generation or appointment settings, your business is falling behind. If you are looking to implement fully customized AI agents for your business, feel free to schedule a call using the link in the description below and we can discuss how AI can be seamlessly integrated into your business. So here we are in Vapi's interface. As you can see, on the left side you have the overview of your assistants, phone numbers, files, your tools, the voice library where you can choose the voice you would like to have, um, logs and some other things like settings on your profile. And then here is where you actually create your assistant, the AI voice agent, and then basically the prompt and all the information you have to put to train the AI that you want to use. So basically, you create assistant, you like choose for customer support, for inbound Q&A, appointment setter, and so on, and then click continue, and then write the name of the assistant, and that's it. You create your first assistant. But let's look at the one I have already created for a dental office. I name it Bright Smiles. It's just an imaginary one. I use ChatGPT for all the information as well. So here in the model section is where you put your like first message. Like you can say something like, "Hello, this is Alina from Bright Smile Dental. How can I assist you today?" And then here is system prompt is where actually you put all the information about prompting it. So what you want to do, like how to act, what to say, and so on. And then on the right side, here you have the provider. So OpenAI is the most common one. And then you have the actual model between like GPT 4o cluster or 2.5 turbo and so on. And then the knowledge base is where you can put all your business information such as working hours, your location, or product or services you provide, and then in the document, and then you upload it. And this is how the AI will understand everything about your business. The temperature is basically where you can put like the randomness of the responses you would like. And the max token is the token that you allow to generate for each conversation. And detect emotion is a property where it can detect if the customer are angry or upset with something or they're happy. I would recommend to enable this option, which is a great feature for. And as you can see, this is the prompt I actually put it on. So do not say hello again. You have already said it in the first message because you already stayed. And you are a voice assistant for Bright Smile Dental, a dental office. The working hours are from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily, but they are closed on weekends. And then the services you provide and the location of the offices and your task is answering question about the practice of booking appointment and so on. And a little bit of more details. May I have your complete name, please? So what is about if they want to schedule an appointment, what the AI should ask them, and the information, and then you can take this information and automatically put it on some like a Google Sheet or Airtable or anything using APIs. And also I put here to be like polite and funny, but keep it professional. And this is a voice conversation, so keep your responses short, like a real conversation, but don't ramble for too long. A little bit more like if you can't find the answer, you can say like, I'm sorry, but I do not have enough information to answer all of this question. And you can, what a great thing is to do is you can redirect this phone call to one of your sales team, and then it actually starts talking with the sales team as well. And then the next is transcription. So here you can configure all your transcription settings, but I found out that the provider DeepGram is great. You can here use the language model you want to use. And then the next is voice configuration. So here basically you put the settings of your like provider, which is I have it 11 Labs, which is one of the best I think at the moment. But you have like OpenAI DeepGram as well. You can add your manually like clone a voice using 11 Labs, and then put it here, like you use your voice or something, and then from here you have more additional configuration like the background sound. I use Office because it actually sounds like the person is in some kind of office and talking with you, which is a great thing. And then you have the punctuation boundaries, and you have the filler injection enabled, like determine whether fillers are injected into the model output before inputting it to the voice provider itself. Next, you have back channeling enabled. This is something like more realistic, more humanized voice would like saying like or yeah or something like that. So enabling this, it would be a great option. And then you have the background denoising enabled, which is actually the noise. It will filter out the noise while the user is talking. So this is a great thing as well. And then we have more things, options. I think the best way is to little bit play around with them, so to use it as best as possible for yourself. Next is functions. So here actually is a tool that you can custom function like what things to do, like such as scheduling an appointment or calling or redirecting or stuff like that. So we can create a function, and then you can name it like schedule an appointment, and then you can put a function description like when the user wants to schedule an appointment, and then the properties like what property value would you like to gather, for example name and name of the user that we want, and then we can save it, and we can like also maybe phone number, the user's phone number, and email or anything else, and then you can add, and then simply you can put here the endpoint, like something like webhook connected to like make.com or something. So all this information, when it collects, like such as name, phone number, email, address, anything, and then it can directly put that Google Sheet, for example, in Make using APIs, the webhook. And then simply you just add it, and that's it. Now you have a function, and then you have the predefined function. Here you can enable end call function, the AI assistant will end the call, or dial keypad, so whether the assistant can dial digit on the keypad itself. And then you have the forward phone number, like if the agent don't have some kind of information answer to the users, or simply want the user want to talk with some salesperson in your team, so you can just write the number of yourself, and then it will redirect the phone call directly to yourself. And of course, the end call phrases like "Have an amazing day ahead" or something like "Goodbye" or anything, just end the call at the end. Then there is more advanced options such as like privacy, API. It's the compliance. It's about like the regulation about medical. If you are a dental office or something, so it will not record any transcription or anything. And here is actually you can record everything. Where you can later on see and look at like a text and the voice itself, so you have everything gathered if you forgot anything. And then the pipeline configuration, you can just play around with it, like the silence timeout, the response delay, and so on. The messaging itself and the end call, the voicemail message, and so on, and some analytic at the end, which is a great thing. I think you can play around with as well. This is just a sample, and I will be adding more content to ensure all your questions are answered. I have more exciting videos coming out soon. If there is a specific topic you would like me to cover, please let me know in the comment section below, and I would be more than happy to create a video for you on that subject. If you enjoyed this video and actually learned something, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.